Today I will explain about how we can able to create the connection with air terminal and ducts. Okay. So as usual, first of all, you can go to find out your ceiling plan. Now you can go to find out the system. In the system, here you can able to find out the air terminal. Okay. In the air terminal, when you select the air terminal, here you can find out the supply diffusion. Okay. So you can go to edit. If you want, you can change the name also here. At the same time, here you can able to find duct width and duct height and diffuser width and diffuser thickness and diffuser height. So how you can able to find these things? See, for example, I can just go to find out the system to apply one diffuser like 2600 height. So I can find out here. So I can place it somewhere here. Okay. So again, I can select here. You can go to find out the edit type. So you can able to see these things. So the how this family they created. So you can go to find out the edit family. So here you can able to see this one. So this is a duct connector. Okay. So this is a duct connector. Here you can able to see this height and width. They created like a label. So here you can able to find out the height is 300, width is 300, and you can able to find out all the related to duct properties, and it's called project parameters. You can able to find out this is a system classification and everything is available here. And after that, when you select this one in the model, here they mention air terminal, and you can find out this all the details. Okay. So when you edit this one, so here you can able to find out which type of category they created, like you can able to find out the edit top and base top. See, if you want, you can go to edit top or base top, so it will be showing like this way. Okay, so this is a blend. Okay, as per the blend, they created like this family. Okay, if you need to change anything, you can able to change, or otherwise you can just close it. Okay, because I'm not changing anything here. Right. So this is my uh, air terminal. So after that, I can go to find out one more system to find out diffuser, and after that I can go to find out the return diffuser. So I can put it that one also around 2600 elevation. So you can find out here. So here also you can able to see it's look like this. Okay. So after that you can go to find out the family. You can able to see this one. So this one also same like that. Okay. So here you can find out the floor plan to reference. Here you can mention that all the details from the week and the reviews of it. Everything you can able to find out it. Okay. So this is the way they created this family. So you can just double click and you can able to see this one, how they create this family. Okay. Right. Now I can just close it. Okay. I can go back to my ceiling plan. So I have two diffusers. So after that, I can go to find out air terminal, and I can able to find out the exhaust. So exhaust fan also I can able to create. So exhaust grid now. So I can go to find out 2600 the exhaust grid. So I can put it somewhere here. So here you can able to see these three type of symbols. This is supply, this is return, this is exhaust. Okay. So after that, I can go to find out my duct. So I can able to go to find out my system to find out my duct. So in the duct, I can just mention it 600 by 600. At the same time, I can mention like around 4000 height. Okay, so I can just draw the duct like this one. After that, I can just select. So when you select this duct, it's showing the supply here. So after that, I can go to find out to copy and one more copy here. Okay, done. Now you can able to see this one to select to now this is a return. So I can go to find out my system type should be return. After that, I can select this one. This is exhaust fan, so I can go to find out the. So here you can able to see this one three type of colors. It's a blue, pink, and green. So now you can go for AL and you can just go for align with my white. So you can align with this. Right. So I did this one. Now I can just select this air terminal, try to find out the draw flexible duct, and I can fix it here. Again, I can right click, go to find out the flexible duct. Even here also, I can right click to draw the flexible duct. Right now, I can just select to go to find out my 3D. Now you can able to see this one how it will be reflected here. Okay, so now you can go for VV to filter to add uh, exhaust return. You can go to find out exhaust return and supply and apply. Now you can able to see this the colors to make it blue, apply, return. You can make it the color like magenta and exhaust. You can go to find out it should be green. So I created three filters and I can just apply here. So you can able to see this one. So how this one is reflected to here. Okay. So even here also we can able to change our things. And after that, you can go to select the section view to check it. So it's look like this. Go for the find. So you can able to see how these ducts are connected to air terminals. So I hope you understand this tutorial. Thank you so much.